Hey Cindy, how are you?
Hi Mary, so good to see you again.
Nice to see you too, welcome back.
Loving my skin.
Yes.
After the microneedling, everyone's been noticing the big difference. I mean, everyone says like, oh my God, your skin, what are you doing with your skin? And I'm like, oh, microneedling. You should try it. So what's the difference between the usual microneedling that I get done and liquid gold?
So liquid gold is actually my most favorite treatment here. It's gonna be everything that you're used to with the microneedling. However, we're taking you to the next level. So all those expensive serums that you're buying, 90% of those serums are gonna be rejected because your body doesn't recognize them. So with liquid gold, it's your own growth factors, it's your own stem cells, it's everything that your body already recognizes. So that's gonna take your microneedling results, which you're already loving,
Yes.
to the next level.
So I'm wondering why it took me so long to try this, if it's
turn
quicker
over,
and better.
yes.
So I really can't wait. Let's see what happens.
I'm excited for you. Let's get started. All right, so we'll go ahead and put on your headband. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that same numbing cream that you're used to using with the microneedling. It has that benzocaine, lidocaine, and tetracaine in there. This is gonna make this as painless as possible. So you may feel a little scratching sensation, maybe a couple prickles, but that's about it. All right, Cindy, so it looks like we're all done with the numbing. We're gonna go ahead and pull your blood, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the centrifuge over here. That's gonna spin it down. It has this gelatin, and that's what's gonna be separating our white blood cells from our red blood cells. So everything stays nice and pure once it turns into the PRFM. All right, Cindy, so we're gonna go ahead and finish taking the rest of the numbing cream off. How are you feeling?
I could barely feel you touching it now.
Good. We're gonna start on your forehead. We're gonna start on this side over here.
I actually don't feel anything.
Awesome. And we're just gonna do a couple passes over each area. So we're providing controlled injury to the skin. It has little tiny microscopic holes going down into the skin, which is gonna let that liquid gold be readily absorbed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of your liquid gold on top, and I'm gonna continue microneedling. And how are you doing, Cindy?
I'm doing well. It feels, I mean, if you get your eyebrows tweezed, this is easier than that.
All right, forehead's complete. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this extra serum and apply a little bit more of your liquid gold on top. It's all ready to be absorbed. All right, forehead's done. We're gonna start here and work our way down. Microneedling with liquid gold breaks up pigmentation. It targets fine lines and wrinkles. It increases cellular turnover time. It helps with stretch marks. It helps tighten the skin, helps start producing collagen again. Anyone can really benefit from liquid gold.
How often do you recommend people to take this treatment?
So depending on what the goals are for the patient, usually when they're trying to resolve an issue or clear up some hyperpigmentation, I recommend at least a series of 3 treatments separated by about 28 days apart, so every month. Once the goals are achieved, I like the patient to come back twice a year to maintain those results. All right, Cindy, so you're all done. You'll notice it feels like almost like dried egg whites on your face. So you'll get really, really tight and pulled back. Totally normal. Just let that sit there for a few hours, okay?
Okay, so now that we're done, how should I care for my skin?
So I would hold off on applying anything to the skin for about 24 hours. Okay. After 24 hours, I would advise using a 30 SPF sunscreen or higher at all times. So also, even though you can't see them or feel them, you have little teeny tiny microscopic scabs that are gonna develop from those pinpoints. It's really, really important not to exfoliate the skin for a week.
So no makeup and no working out.
Right, when you work out, you produce sweat. That sweat has bacteria in it. So if that sweat's dripping down your nicely fresh face, you know, A, it's gonna sting, and B, you're introducing bacteria to your skin, and we don't want that.
Okay.
So avoid working out for at least 24 hours.
Thank you so much, Mary. I'm sure I'll be back soon.
Awesome, you're welcome, Cindy. And remember to follow up in about a month or so for your next treatment, okay?
Perfect.
Awesome.